Everybody, this is this video, but I don't permission for just guidelines. This is video in the Philippines. Shut down to Facebook, Lazada, Shopee, or else online platform shopping. You know, kahit hindi nyo sabihin yan, talagang ibaba ng China yan, America, to international because your country is world war III. So, bakit nyo pa ginagamit ang China brand? So, let me know what do you acts that and never bold the world is criminal act in corrupted business but in Asian. Talagang dapat lang talaga mabana ang TikTok or whatever the platform. You know what? It's gonna ask our people in corrupted and over this money. Wala silang pinagkaiba sa flood control na nagnakaw o ginagamit ng mga apps platform para kumita ng pera. Pero nasa war tayo, nasa end time. And probable there were little people in sickness for over the history. Nawawala na rin sila ng dangal dahil sa technology for something others abundant for material and life money, and this corrupted and all was bullshit. So this is a video share. Thank you.
Together with the PNP and kami, susulatan namin ang Lazada, Lazada, Shopee, TikTok, Facebook, Carousel, lahat to susulatan namin, directing them to shut down these sites. Pinapa-shut down natin to. At pag hindi sila nag-shut down, pati yung mga online selling na to, papakasuhan ko din. Kasi kinukonsinti nila yung mga illegal na